We'll be unboxing the CK10S, the mini PC by KAMRUI. It comes in this beautiful, artistic, minimalistic design box. Even has the blue foil stamping on it, which I thought was pretty cool. Smooth. And on the back, we have some product information: 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage space. Now let's take a look inside. We have the manual, and the PC will have a tab you can pull up. Boop. On the front, we have the USB-C, two USB 3 Types A, an audio jack, and the power button. And on the back, we have two more USB 3 Type A, two HDMIs, LAN port Ethernet, and also the AC adapter plug. And also on the side, we have the VGA. And we have the plug for the power supply, and the power supply itself, the HDMI cord, screws for the mounting bracket, and the VESA mounting bracket that we can use to attach the mini PC. And we also have a serial ATA cable, which we can do yourself applications to upgrade your storage to 2 terabytes. And with this Intel i5 processor, Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, expandable RAM and storage, and triple screen capability, this mini 4K PC by KAMRUI definitely packs a lot for its size.